Hey everyone, today I've got something super exciting for all the Township players out there. I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to get free cash and coins in Township, and trust me, this changes everything. So just to prove it's legit, take a look at my phone. I've already used this method, and as you can see, my account is loaded with coins and cash. I didn't buy anything, didn't spend a dime. It all came from this simple method I'm about to walk you through. And honestly, it's way easier than you'd think. Just follow the steps I show you in this video, carefully, and that's it. A few minutes of your time, and you'll have way more resources than you ever thought possible. Before I found this, I was always running out of stuff. But once I tried this method, everything changed. Now I can grow my town however I want, without constantly worrying about running out of resources. If that sounds like something you'd want too, then do yourself a favor and stick with me until the end of the video. I'll walk you through every step so you can set it up on your own. No guessing, no confusion. Just follow along and you'll be good to go. So yeah, let's not waste any more time. Here's how you can get free cash and coins in Township and finally play the game the way it's meant to be played. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Township and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.